The next one we will introduce is the RF4008MST Moisture Spreading Test. This one conforms to AATCC's test method 195 and GBT 21655.2. In this machine, as per the standard, we have these test probes that will make contact with the specimen on both sides, the top side and the bottom side. And this test probe will measure the resistance distribution across the surface of the specimen. It also comes with PC software to collect all the data and generating the report. In addition to the requirement of the standard, we made a lot of innovation. First of all, the amount of water to be pumped required by the standard is 0.2 milliliters, and we made it adjustable to a range of up to 0.45 milliliter, with still the same precision required by the standard. So you can choose to use a different amount of test liquid for the test other than the one required in the standard. Also, we have more test zones on the test probes than required by the standard, so we can make more detailed and precise measurement of the distribution of the moisture, the water, on the fabric. Since the test liquid used in this test is salt solution of sodium chloride or calcium chloride, after a lot of tests, there will be some salt crystals on these pins, which may corrode these pins and affect the test measurement in the future. So we also implemented automatic cleaning device for these test probes. Back in the machine there is a cleaning cup. When you use the cleaning function, the top test head will move up and then the cleaning cup will move forward and then be placed in between the top and bottom test heads. The top test head will come down and seal the inside of the cleaning cup. Then clean water will be pumped from outside to clean all the pipeline and also the testing probe. After the cleaning by the clean water, hot air will come into this test cup to dry the top and the bottom test probe to make sure that no excess water remains on the test probe. For the top test head, we have 3 stages of different loading force that you can choose. The standard one is 1 kilogram or 1,000 grams of force to put onto the fabric. We added a 1.5 kilogram and a 2 kilogram loading force option that you can choose from the setting page of the touch screen. From the setting page, you can choose the test time, the loading force, amount of liquid to be used. And in the test page, you can choose how many samples to test and what's the code of the sample. In the surface page, there's a button for purging the air inside the pipeline, a calibration page, and a diagnose page. In the calibration page, you will be able to calibrate the loading force and also the pumping liquid amount. This button here is for cleaning of the top and bottom probe, the cleaning function that we just talked about.